welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glad Makeover TV. Today we are going to tie very simple gele, simple one, very simple. So now what I'm trying to do here, I just try to measure the two sides to make sure that both sides are equal. Now I want to create my pleat. I start creating my plate because I want the camera to see it very well. I can do it when I sit down, but maybe the camera will not show very well. Will not show how I create the plate very well. That is why I stand. So just relax yourself and see the way I type this very simple gele. Okay, now I have placed it on my head. I'm just trying to straighten my pleat that I created. You know, if you did not straighten the pleat that you create, it will not look good. It will not look very good. So you need to rearrange everything very well, the way it will be okay and nice in the face. You know, to bring out the good of what you are doing. That is what I'm trying to do here. So just relax your back. I'm still arranging the other side. You know, I just fold it into two, the asooke into two before. So now I have arranged one side, then I'm arranging the other side now. Listen, just relax and see what I'm doing. Just, you can watch the video. You can watch the video like 2 times for you to get what I'm doing. But what I'm doing here is very easy thing that you can arrange your plate without placing it on your head. Maybe you arrange it on the table, depends on you. But for me, this is the best way I can do it, that it will come out very good and nice. Yes. So, see, now the plate is okay. I'm just trying to... The plate is okay. I'm just trying to arrange it. You see the back? This is how I fold it. Just to make it, I wanted to show the back very well for you to see. But I was afraid because of the camera, you know. I did not even see that the camera did not show it very well. But nevertheless, it's still very good. So now you will twist. You need to twist you just twist the asooke the way you twist. Maybe you are making hair dip. You can't just put it like that without without twisting it. If you just do it without twisting it, it will not come out nice. So it's good you twist it, you concentrate and twist it very well when you are doing it. It's very easy. Just concentrate, twist it. I'm doing the twisting now. As you can see. Please, guys, I wanted to tell you something before I started, but I just want to tell you here now. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel, share this video so people can see. Not everything we women spend money on. There are some things you can just do easily by yourself, you know. Just watch the video, concentrate. What you don't understand, leave comment at the comment section. So if you need another type of hair tie, just send the photo or screenshot at the comment section. We will definitely come back. Or if you did not even send it, just write the type of asooke or the hair tie you want us to tie together in this channel. So I will definitely do that. You will like it. So please subscribe to my channel. Share this video out so people can see it. Thank you very much. For those of you that have subscribed before, I say may God richly bless you all for supporting your girl Glad Makeover TV. Yes, we are still on the hair tie. I was just trying to... Now I'm trying to use the pin to pin the hair tie. So like this simple gele or asooke, You can use, if you have long one, me this particular head, I don't have the long one of this ashoke that I wanted to use, so I use this short one. Because if you have the long one and you want to use it, it's very good. You can use the long one, because if you use the long one, it can just pass it around. You just twist it and use it to round your head, you know. But if you don't have long one, you can still use this type. It will go. Yes, yes, believe me, it will go, and you will like it. So please, 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 now I'm using my pin to pin the ashoke. I'm using pin, office pin. As you can use any pin that you know you use to tie your gele. That is what I show you before, so you can use it. Just see it. Now I have used the office pin. I'm trying to shift it. I'm trying to shift the gele. So now you see the pleat, everything is just okay, just okay. If maybe you twist it, maybe you use big ashoke, for example, if it is big one you use, and you have excess, maybe there are some part that will be excess, like this place I'm using pin to pin now, there's little excess one there, so I just use the pin to pin that place so that it will not look rough, you know. I have pinned that place now. You see, it look good. So if you yourself, you are tying this type of hair tie and you see some excess part of it, you can just use your pin to pin the place, you know. Just pin it and you will like it. That is all for now. But just sit, relax and see the way I just try to maintain everything and let everything look okay. Thank you very much for watching this amazing video. I say may God richly bless you. Please don't forget, share your get video out. Subscribe, tell your people, your friends about this channel, so we learn a lot of things here. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Relax and keep watching.